Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Moto Insane, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Hero 8 Black and the GoPro Chest T performance mount that I got along with it for chest mounted shots. First let me introduce you to Hulk and my ride, the Lamborghini Huracan. Let's begin by sanitizing ourselves. Alright, now we are ready. Let's keep Hulk aside, my ride aside. So here we have the Hero 8 Black. So the Hero 8 Black comes in this kind of packaging. Sorry, I have already unboxed the GoPro beforehand, so ignore the packaging. So I'm just gonna show you what you guys should expect inside the box and also give you a rundown of the camera. So this is how it comes. So you can find it on Amazon and Flipkart for about 35,000 Indian rupees, which is a bit pricey compared to its price in the States, which is like $300. But I got it from offline market. So in the offline market you can get it for quite cheaper. So let's open it and see what we get inside the box. All right, to pull it down. Oops, sorry, Hulk. So this is the camera, guys. I'll show you. They have made a couple of changes to the Hero 8 Black compared to the Hero 7, and also this one gets Hyper Smooth 2.0, which is a better version of the Hyper Smooth introduced with the Hero 7 Black. So let's see what else we get inside the box. GoPro Plus unlimited cloud storage, guide to open the mounts, open the battery compartment, take it out and throw it aside. User manual for really dumb people. Throw it aside. You get the battery. It's a very expensive battery, guys. You only get one with the box. This is a 1200 milliamp hour battery, guys, as you can see. And we also get a curved mount which I have installed on my helmet. So that's about it in the box. And you also get this mount, which is a very high quality mount. You can use it to plug this camera anywhere. So this is how you open it. There's a rubber strap here. You pull it up and then you squeeze these two joints and push the camera forward. So there you have your camera, and then you can also unscrew this hinge to take out the mount. So this is the most obvious change that you will see from the Hero 7 Black, is that it has inbuilt hinges which you can close off. They're kind of magnetic, which is very nice. It makes the compact camera very much compact. So you don't need another casing just to mount the camera. You can do it directly, which is quite nice. It's very handy, makes it very small and compact to carry. You can just use it to vlog like this. It's got a 2-inch touchscreen in the back, record button over here, and power and mode buttons over here. Also, they have removed the removable lens cap, so now if you scratch the lens, you're doomed. Take a note, GoPro, your parts are already very expensive. Okay, let's put on the battery and let me show you guys. So this is the battery compartment, and you put it inside like this. That's what she said. Also, there's a memory card slot right here.
2,000 years later.
So this is the memory card that I use. I got this one. This is a SanDisk Extreme memory card. I got a 32 GB one because I was on a tight budget. Let me focus on it, as you can see. So I recommend you guys get the extreme ones because the GoPro records at very high bit rates. So it's better if you get the extreme, else you might have loss of data or problems like that. So let me insert it into the camera. This is the power button, guys. There you go, it's turned itself on. Let me focus. There you go. As you can see, this is the time lapse mode. This is the video mode. This is the photo mode. This is the video mode, and you can also turn hyper boost on and off. Boost is unavailable because I am in super wide right now. If I go to wide, then boost will be available. See, hyper boost is now turned on. This will give you pretty amazing steady shots, which is very handy, and I really like this feature about the GoPro. That's what made me buy the GoPro. So that's about it. You can see the sample videos in my channel. It really clicks very good and stable pictures. Also the front display shows you the battery percentage, how much you can record with the memory card, the resolution, frames per second. It is quite handy. That's about it for the camera. Let's keep it here. Throw this stuff aside. Better safe than sorry. Now, just got this today. This is the performance chesty mount by GoPro. Let's do an unboxing. This is the bill. So this is how the packaging looks like, guys. As you can see, this one costs about 3,400 rupees, but I got it from the offline market, and you can get it cheaper there than the online markets. So let's open it up. So you get a J mount with it in order to mount your camera in whichever direction you want. So this is how it goes inside there. This is called a J mount, guys. Keep it aside. And also a screw with it. It's really high quality. GoPro charges extra for these things, but they really maintain the quality. It seems almost unbreakable. Then take this out. All right, this is the GoPro chesty mount. Feels really high quality. The new performance chesty mount has got additional padding, just so when the plastic sticks tight to your chest, it doesn't feel really comfortable. So they've added a new padding in the new performance mount, which is really nice. Also, these are stretchable and also adjustable according to your body size. Really nice. And you can detach it also. This is how you detach it. You take it off. Okay. Let's show you by mounting the camera onto it. So you take the J mount and you take the camera, pull out the prongs, and you place it here. Screw it on. That's it. It's done. Now pull the tab. And push it inside. Lock the tab. That's it. Wear it. Take some pretty cool, amazing shots. Point of view shots. Alright guys, that's about it. I'll be doing a review of how the angle comes out on my motorcycle soon, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and help support this channel. Until then, bye bye.